Ready for an exciting real estate investment adventure? Don't miss this golden opportunity. Did you know? 19% of travelers booked vacation rentals for the first time between March 2022 and April 2023. Discover the secrets to success in the booming vacation rental industry. From the top 3 benefits to maximize profits to the 3 crucial factors that impact ROI, and the steps to buying your dream vacation rental investment. Subscribe now and let's dive in together. Let the journey begin. Are vacation rentals a good investment? Absolutely. But don't just take our word for it. The demand for vacation rentals is skyrocketing, with Airbnb.com experiencing a remarkable surge in traffic and searches. Compared to the previous year, searches were up a staggering 235%, and the number of users increased by an impressive 116%. Here's the exciting part: vacation rental revenue has become a lucrative income stream. On average, vacation rental income contributes a significant 24% to an owner's annual earnings. Get ready to seize this fantastic opportunity and explore the world of vacation rentals for yourself. 3 benefits of investing in vacation rental properties. Income generation. Investing in a vacation rental can be rewarding, but taking it from good to great is where the real magic happens. Here's the key to unlock that potential: location and seasonality. Consider the demand in your home's area and the peak travel seasons. How can your vacation home cater to this demand and make the most of the bustling seasons? Personal use. Are you planning to use the home yourself? Alternatively, you could prioritize maximizing profits by exclusively opening it up to paying guests, boosting your potential earnings. Home features and upgrades. Think about the amenities that can skyrocket your return on investment and earn those coveted 5-star reviews. Happy guests mean repeat business and higher profitability. With these winning strategies, you can transform your vacation rental investment into a profitable venture that not only pays for itself but also brings in substantial returns. Tax benefits. A vacation rental investment offers tax benefits similar to a primary residence, such as potential deductions for mortgage payments, property taxes, rental income, insurance premiums, and more. However, how you use the property and its frequency of use can affect which expenses are eligible for write-offs. For instance, if you rent out your second home for more than 14 days a year, you may qualify to deduct some or all of your rental expenses. To fully understand the vacation rental investment tax codes and eligibility for deductions based on your state and individual situation, it's advisable to consult with a certified public accountant. Home appreciation. With time, a well-chosen investment property in the perfect location has the potential to experience substantial value growth. And here's the best part: by investing in upgrades, you can further enhance your property's appreciation beyond passive appreciation alone. What's even more exciting is that the same upgrades that boost your home's value can also lead to happier vacation rental guests and better guest reviews. It's a win-win situation. 3 factors that impact vacation rental ROI. Income triggers. What cash flow can you expect? What is your break-even point? What was the home sale price and down payment amount? What will you write off in tax deductions? Vacation rental demand. What are the attractions in the region? How close are you to hiking, dining, or other entertainment? How close is the property to amenities like the airport, beach, or ski slopes? What are the off-season draws? How popular is your location? How many people visit, for how long, and how often? What are the views like? Do you have beachfront or ski-in, ski-out access? Operating expenses. What will you spend on discretionary repairs, upgrades, and general wear and tear? What fees do you need to pay to meet local regulations? What, if any, property management fees will you incur? How much do you pay in property taxes, utilities, HOA fees, and insurance? Once more, it's crucial to remember that if you ever decide to sell your vacation rental, the overall ROI will be influenced by your ability to effectively showcase the property's historical and potential business value. Presenting these aspects convincingly can make a significant difference in maximizing your returns and attracting potential buyers. So, keep a keen eye on the big picture when it comes to your investment strategy. Steps to buying a vacation rental investment. Identify your ideal location and search for properties there. Each location comes with unique short-term rental regulations, so knowing your desired area is vital for potential profitability. While exploring properties, be open to the possibility of your search leading to different locations than where it started. Obtain pre-approval for your vacation rental investment. If you're not using cash, get pre-approved by a lender experienced in vacation rental lending. This will solidify your budget and strengthen your position, allowing you to act swiftly in competitive markets. Calculate vacation rental ROI for potential properties. Analyze monthly cash flow estimates, operating expenses, and net income potential to make informed investment decisions. Make your offer wisely. Cash offers can be compelling, while financed offers typically require a 1-2% earnest money deposit. Negotiate strategically based on your agent's local expertise and accurate insights into the vacation rental landscape. Select the right property manager. Once the sale is complete, find a vacation rental manager who will prioritize your property and provide top-notch service. Ask crucial questions about online listing, marketing, pricing, services provided, guest limits, and contract flexibility. Get your vacation rental ready for guests. Work closely with your chosen property manager to ensure your home receives excellent treatment, attracting satisfied guests, and maximizing your investment returns. And there you have it. We've covered all the essential steps and insider tips you need to kickstart your journey to success in this lucrative market. If you're eager to discover the secrets to boosting your short-term rentals and making the most out of this exciting venture, don't hesitate. Click on the video shown on your screen to watch the incredible guide. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.